Okay, right here, down here, Wright's Dairy Rite. It's Sunday, September the 4th. It's a beautiful day, a little overcast right now, but we're down here for the Labor Day cruise-in at Wright's Dairy Rite. Going to have a lot of cars down here. I'm going to guess probably 130, 140 cars, but it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to take you boys and girls around and show you what we have here. This show is put on twice a year. The Sunday before Memorial Day, and then again the Sunday before Labor Day. It's a big thing here in Staunton, Virginia. We've got a lot of nice cars down here. What we're going to do, we're going to start looking around here, and you want to take a little trip. Let's see what some of these cars look like. We've got nice classics, got some hot rods. We got a little bit of everything here today. It's a big deal for Staunton, Virginia, so come on with me. Let's go down here and start looking at these cars. Okay, we're down here at the start, and these cars go down for probably a quarter of a mile. So we're going to walk on down here, take a look at all these cars. Got some nice looking Cougar here, right beside a first-gen Corvette. Don't you love these things? And here's a Mustang. I think this is a 67. I think it has those little decals like that, little side swipes on it, make it a 67. And we got a Charger, early 70s, next to a Road Runner. And here we go, here's a Pro Street 67 Camaro, got a big block in it, got a lot of work done to that thing. Yes, it does. And we got a 62 Ford. 62, yes we do. Love it. Like I say, we got classics, we got hot rods, we got a little bit of everything. Boy, another nice 57. Love those 57s. And what is this? 66 Chevelle? 396. 3 1/4 horse. Chevy knocked it out of the ballpark when they started bringing everybody, all the GM manufacturers. It started with the 64 GTO, and everybody got on the bandwagon. A little GTO here. No, it's just a no. This is a Le Mans. 64 Ford. 390 Galaxy. I wonder if they still call those the Sunliners. Don't know. Next to a Chevelle 454, single headlights, or has to, 71. 71 they went to the single headlights. 70 Chevelles had the dual headlights. You always tell it's 70 with 71 or later. Here's a lady I know, her Challenger, Joan Cooper, loves it. Nice car, beautiful car. She really takes good care of it. And here's another friend of ours, John Crease, Corvette. John's just getting over a knee replacement. Didn't know if I'd see him around here or not. And a 56 Bel Air. And here's some of Staunton's finest. They say they blocked this one lane of Greenville Avenue down and let people park their cars in through here. Takes a while, but I'll tell you what, this is a big thing for Staunton, Virginia. It really, really is. We keep on going down here, see what they have going. We got cars parked. Now we're going in here into Wright's Dairy Rite. As you can see, this is part of their lot for their. This is the lot for their little drive-in here. You go in there, get something to eat. They can either serve you in the car. Got a little bit of everything here. Let's take a little trip around here. The 67 GTO. And here's a friend of mine, Steve Gass. First time he's brought this thing out to one of our shows. Love it. Running through here. Beautiful car. This thing has been restored nicely. Yes, it has. Walk around through here. Let's see some of the cars that we do have everywhere. Well-attended show. There's a lot of people come out here. And we're going in here to the outside dining area. During the week or on the weekend, come on down here, park in here. You got sit right in your car. They'll bring you your food, just like the old days, the old drive-ins that we used to have as kids. We'll walk around here a little bit, see what we have. Got everybody. Everybody has a good time here. They really, really do. It's gonna get a little loud down through here, but we'll be okay. Okay, as you see, we have outdoor dining here. Get yourself super burger, foot-long hot dog. How about a milkshake? I think that's something new. A cheesecake milkshake. Wow, wouldn't that be nice? Let's open this door for this lady. I bet she wants to go inside. All right.
But they have.
Now we're inside here, and as you can see, we've got a lot of activity in here. You can either come up here, order, or you can order at your table. And look at these little girls here. There you go, with the poodle skirts on. They've got their, just like being back in the 50s. Got the jukebox here. This place is crowded, I mean to tell you. Yes, it is. Got a lot of activity in here. They do a whale of a business here on cruising day. So anybody want anything? Go ahead and order up. Here. Hi there, you enjoying yourself? Having fun, aren't you? You're going to be on YouTube. Okay, that's just about it from here. Let's go on outside and go from there.
He got remarried, and my new stepmom's 2 months to the jail.
And we got some outside dining here. Okay. I don't know what's wrong here. Every now and then it'll shut down. I really don't know why. So we might have a problem getting all the way through this, but we're going to try. Might be a little choppy, but we're going to try a little bit to see how far we go with everything. They have cars parked all the way down the end. We've got another quarter of a mile, maybe not quite a quarter of a mile, a good eighth of a mile to go. We've got them parked everywhere. Let's go around through here and see what we have. Don't really understand why this thing is cutting off. Like I say, it might be a little choppy. I'm hoping it won't be, but we're going to do our best to get around here. Look, got new Challengers, we've got old ones. Got a little A little bit of everything for you today. Little bit of everything.
It's got a Harley electric pump. It's probably pushing close to 15 PSI.
Yeah, that's too much. Yeah.
And here's a friend of mine, Roger Davis. He's got the Camaro and he's got the Chevelle. Both these cars are quick, shall we say. Look at those tires. Big tires, big tires. And it looks like a race car on the inside, doesn't it? What do you think? I don't think Roger races anymore, but he did.